welcome back. We are going to de-kit this Craftibly diamond painting. This is the Alice in Snow White. It is round. I need to de-kit it so I can use the containers for something else. What else I have here is from Add More Zest. These are all the DMC numbers. And I believe this is from the Flawsomecrafter. I have two of these, one for round, one for square. It came with the box, the dividers, and the cards here. I also have one for my ABs for round and square from the Fallsomecrafter. I will link everything down below. I also have these bags just in case I don't have the color, or the DMC color doesn't match what I already have. And then I have these ones here that are kind of like hollowed out that I put my ABs in. And I have one crystal in this one, so I'll put my crystal in it as well. But I think I'm gonna fast forward this part because it just takes me a long time, and I'm getting over a cold, and so I'm coughing a lot, and I don't want to cough during the video. So I'll fast forward, but I do hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, I'll see you when I'm done. Alright, so I finished up putting them all away, besides my ABs. We're going to do that together. I am going to dump out this. This is where my trash drills have gone for like the last 6-7 paintings. I'm just going to dump it out. I'm going to start fresh. And then I just kind of have it in this jar for now. And this is all the trash drills I have from most of my paintings. I didn't have any more room for 939. I already had a full bag. This is now my second full bag. So I'm just gonna set that off to the side. And then this is my big Mama Jamma. Oh, I have stickers in here. That's all right. gonna just put this on the guy. Just throw it there. We'll go ahead and re-sticker this stuff. Besides this one. So my 906. I did have a 906 actually. Oh, that's more lime green. Okay, well, we'll just. Oh, I see. These were just for the, okay. That's fine. So I have a 906, two 906s now, and I have 996. Let's see. This one is a little harder to look through. 996. I already have a 996, and they are two different colors. So there we go, and that's how it looks. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this in as well. Let's see. So I have, I'll show you guys this. So this is 666 AB, and then I have 666 in crystal. So I'm gonna just throw them in here. Excuse me. And just like that, we have them all put away. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.